here.
Lots of wood, yeah.
Hey?
Lots of wood, lots.
Yeah.
Nice dry stuff too.
Campground. What's that? Bunyip Campground.
Mm-hmm.
Go over there.
Over in here, yep.
Don't have to go far to get some wood.
Oh, that's for sure.
We'll park here somewhere. Yeah. This is not the main beach. The main beach is back there.
Okay, yep.
We missed it. It doesn't matter.
We can go back if you want. But
No,
it's
no.
nice, yep.
Yeah, good enough there. Oh shit. Oh, it's very windy. It's a bit windy today. Jesus Christ. Even ground. Where's that rubbish bag? The other one.
Must have blown away because I put two there. Here it is.
Oh, you We had a bit of rain last night. 14 mil we had. But the wood out here seems to be pretty dry. Get some big stuff.
Plenty of wood.
Yeah.
Plenty of wood.
Yeah, plenty of wood here.
Yeah.
Hole somewhere.
Yeah, I was going to dig it here where there was a fire, but I
No,
might...
it's too close.
Yeah, I'll dig it over here. It's nice and soft. Yeah. Packet roots. There's hardly had any rain out here, Graham, because you dig down, it's not even wet that far down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never been to this spot before.
It is beautiful here, Graham, absolutely beautiful. I can't believe how wide the river is here. Be bloody good fishing there, I reckon. The right time of year. Yeah. Whew. That's a good fire. Yeah, wood's dry. And I thought, the rain we got, and they must have got it here. The wood's really dry. only Point Road over there.
International politics
Eh?
and
Point
conversation
Road,
at the moment.
Victorian
Where
side,
countries come
Point
out
Road,
to
yeah.
condemn another country, as we're
Where's
hearing
that go to?
with Israel.
I was just looking at the map here. So Point Road is back onto the Murray Valley Highway. Wilson's Bend is just further down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
About our country joining any other sports to recognise Palestinian state.
Your entire community of King Lake was impacted, and we're interested to speak to somebody about what are the police facing with their search. What sort of terrain is it? How difficult is it going to be when this rain comes?
It's full on. I went up there years and years ago when we had a minister, when Tim Holding went missing, one of our local Victorian members, and he was found, but it was about the same time of year. It was cold. It was dense, big bushland. I remember being there at one point, and I was station reporter at the time, thinking, I never find this bloke. It'll be a miracle.
Yeah. Well, and he's very familiar of the government, obviously, with this area. So we just want to get a bit of a lay of the land and see what the police search is facing. On a Friday night, sometimes we have to, try and cut stories and cut stuff. Yeah, Taylor Swift got engaged.
I know. I was going to talk about that.
Taylor and Travis Kelce with a big fat diamond ring. But we thought, with nostalgia, let's go back and try and remember what it was like when you got engaged. Or your parents, what was their story? Because it was very different back then. Now it's still video. Yeah. Your engaged like Joe O'Neill will be coming into nostalgia. And I'd love to hear, I was on an island and I had been bitten by sea lice that day. So I was covered in a rash from one end of my body to the other. It was so hot, you couldn't wear barely any clothes. I got proposed to looking like an absolute monster, is all I can say.
I nearly found the ring. So I have to don't do like that. I was thinking, what sort of songs is she going to write now? Because she can't write it. Australian authorities.
Is that an omelette, is it?
No, it's actual bread.
Bread?
Yeah, bread, and it's got chicken and tomato.
Being abused by childcare workers. The Shadow Education Minister Jess Wilson says,
Would love to hear your place to see if the rain has fallen yet where you are.
It's 12:23. Just finished lunch. Lunch was great. Just going for a little walk here. Just picking up some little sticks. My God, little sticks everywhere. We'll probably come back here again next week. This is a great place. Great place to come.